But you can't even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming from someone you love. Not the wiser to deceive her. Cannot hide away, but we are in the silence. It's conceited, 'cause it believes that we're defeated. To our surprise, I believe that what's inside us will release us now. Oh, no, the world just have to trust now. Then maybe we'll find out, but now we're coming to the place in the tall grass where we see that the elders have lost time, and the lessons we learned from a long past have all but abandoned our small minds. Scream about nothing but fear, trying to run up a decline. Maybe one day we'll learn the truth, but maybe we're blind by design. Maybe we're blind by design. Maybe we're blind by design. Something special that we're keeping in a place that's close and near and dear to our hearts. Just a lie that we are different in our existence, and it can never happen to us. I only know that because I feel it, and I can see that I've been left in the dark now. Or what's worse, that we need it. It leaves me speechless, but we'll just have to trust now. Or that there's things bigger than us now. And maybe we'll find out, but now we're coming to that place in the tall grass. It seems like the elders have lost time, and the lessons we've learned from a long past have all but abandoned our small minds. Scream about nothing but fear, trying to run up a decline. Maybe one day we'll learn the truth, but maybe we're blind by design. Coming to the place in the tall grass. Maybe we're blind by design. Lessons we learned from a long time. Oh, maybe we're blind by design. About nothing but fear. Maybe we're blind by design. Maybe one day we'll learn the truth. Oh, maybe we're blind by design. Oh, maybe we're blind by design. Maybe we're blind by design. Something special that we're keeping in a place that's close and near and dear to our hearts. Just a lie that we are different in our existence, and it can never happen to us. I only know that because I feel it, and I can see that I've been left in the dark now. Or what's worse, that we need it. It leaves me speechless, but we'll just have to trust now. Oh, that there's things bigger than us now. And maybe we'll find out, but now we're coming to that place in the tall grass. It seems like the elders